So we're down here at the Lake Secession boat ramp. It's the only boat ramp on Lake Secession. There's another dock available at the very south end down at the dam. This is the only boat ramp. It's got two well done ramps so you can launch two boats at once, and this really nice courtesy dock for once you get in. There's the bridge for the 187 highway. You can see the lake is pretty full right now and it looks great. It's a beautiful day. Now this is looking south. So basically you go right around the corner of that point right there and the lake goes south. It's a really long, thin lake fed by the Rocky River. So it gets plenty of water. It's got a bunch of other small tributaries as well. That way there is up the river, or up the lake. But it doesn't move. It's a very still lake, so you're not going to drift with the current or anything like that. But it's very nice. Got a couple mobiles right there. There's also some very high-end houses on this lake. You can see a couple old kind of cabin houses over there. But once again, this is Lake Secession in South Carolina. Oh, and one more thing. There's another dock right over here that's a fishing dock that they put in, which is nice. At least once a week, if not twice a week, they do a fishing, I guess you'd call it a fishing league, kind of like a bowling league from here. And if you're here, it's pretty funny. They got like 10 boats that'll launch usually, and they just blow a horn and they all take off like bats out of hell trying to get to where they're going. They're doing a little marina over there. It's been there for a long time, but they just upgraded it, put in some new docks, new riprap wall. So yeah, if you're coming to Lake Secession, South Carolina, it's near Lake Hartwell, near Abbeville. You can see the docks underneath there, the new docks for the marina. But there's no store or anything like that there. There's no restaurant or store. But if you're coming here, this is a great lake. This is, I guess, a really good fishing lake. Really good water, really clean fish. Crappie, bass, catfish. All right, if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a good one.